We are still on how to calculate the y-intercept and the x-intercept. So the last example that I'm going to give you now is saying y is equal to 2x squared plus x minus 6. All right. So if we are finding the y-intercept, that means our x is equal to 0. And for y-intercept, I said we just pick that one. Okay, so we're going to say y is equal to 2 open bracket. Where there is x, we put 0. So our y is equal to 0 squared is 0. 2 times 0 is 0. Plus 0 minus 6. 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 minus 6 is negative 6. So we have found the y-intercept. Then for x-intercept, we say our y is equal to 0. So what we are going to have now is 2x squared plus x minus 6. The reason is I don't want to have 0 is equal to 2x. No, I'll just put the 0 to the right end. Okay? Then I can find this one using factorization method. So I can find the product, the sum, and the factors. Remember I said for the product, we say A times C. Then for the sum, we only get a B. Then we look for factors. So what is A times? Our A is this one. Our C is this. So 2 times negative 6 is negative 12. Then what will be our B? The coefficient of X, that's 1. So our B is 1. So we look for two numbers that if we multiply those two numbers, should give us C, negative 12. But if we add, we get 1. So what we are supposed to do, we look for numbers that can give us a 12. What numbers are those? So one of them is 1 times 12, but if we add 1 times 12, it's not going to give us 1. Then we have 2 times 6. If we say 2 times 6, it will give us 12, but if we add, it won't give us 1. So we also have 3 times 4, or 4 times 3. So 4 times 3 are our factors, but one of these should be a negative. I'll pick the smallest because the sum is positive. So when I say 4 times negative 3, 4 times negative 3 is negative 12. Okay? Then say 4 plus negative 3 is 1. Okay? So now we have found the factors. I can come back here, say 2x squared. Where there is 1x, I will replace with the factors. I just put x, so to be plus 4x minus, because of that negative, minus 3x minus 6 equal to 0. Then I factorize. What is common in the first part? 2x is common, because 2 can enter into 2, can also enter into 4. Then we have that x. So 2x is common. Then we say 2x squared divided by 2x, we have x. Then 4x divided by 2x, we have 2. Then here, what is common? Negative 3 is common. Why negative? Because here we have all positive. So for us to get rid of the negative, this part, we take it out. So negative divided by negative is positive. 3x divided by 3, it is x. So no wonder this one has come out as positive x. Then negative 6 divided by negative 3, it is positive 2. These should always be the same, equal to 0. Then we take this in one bracket. So say 2x minus 3. Then we say x plus 2 equal to 0. Then we equate, since they are factors now. So we say 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. Then we say, or x plus 2 is equal to 0. Negative 3, on the right side be positive 3. So 2x is equal to 3. Divide by 2, because we're interested in finding x. So x is equal to 3 over 2 as our first root. Then the second root, positive 2, on the right side become negative 2. So we're going to have x is equal to negative 2. These are the two values.